How you doing, sir? There you go. Okay. I'm gonna get you your paperwork. You need the password or not? Why? Earlier? Why? Oh, it gave you like that, bro? Where is she? Why? Another one. I must go investigate. Hi. Wait, why did I come? ¿Cómo estás? ¿No hiciste el inventory ayer? Si no hiciste el inventory, ¿no, verdad? Oh, no? Oh, you're lucky. What about Friday? No inventory? No. Yeah. Touch a snake? No. Why not? Cobarde. Even though I only touched his tail? No, imagine Jake the snake. How you doing, man? There you go, man. How you doing? Good. What is it?
Oh, that one. Right there. Manual.
Alright, he's gonna bear back your paperwork. Thank you. Huh? I did.
Taking a shit?
Oh. I'm recording. I'm recording. Yeah. I did. I've been walking around. I've been recording. And it was like, look, candid camera.
Oh, thank you.
You're on camera. Is it really? Is it really? Tell that bitch. Tell that bitch? Yeah. Tell that bitch? Yeah? 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 Hey, bitch. Quick, get off me! Ma'am? We're not really supposed to allow people to take
Right, I'm
take
filming it
photographs.
off. She said I could take some of
Who's that?
the lady that was standing at the desk there.
Her right there?
Yeah.
Christina! Christina, you let us take pictures?
Of that, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I was just
Huh? No, I was just wondering, you know.
Where she was going, that was pick it up.
Should have called the A bitch, huh? Shit would have been funny.
I still waiting for my camera, bro.
Huh? Fucking bad, huh? Hey, you know what? Don't worry if the battery dies.
Yeah.
Don't worry. How you doing? Man, I cracked myself up.
Yeah, I do. How you guys doing?